Step 1. Uncover the twister cover. Step 2. Make sure that the switches on the main board on the remote control and twister are in the same positions. There are 4 switches on each board. You can adjust any positions on the twister's main board, and the position should be the same as the remote control because the same switches' positions are the same channels. The adjustment needs in case 2 or more pieces of equipment use the same channels. Step 3. Close the cover of the twister.